Hello everyone, welcome back to Cabbage Financial Solutions. My name is Mashkur Ali. Did you know that your Roblox user ID is different from your username? While your username can be changed, your user ID stays the same forever. That's why it's important to know how to find it, especially when sending or receiving Robux. In this video, we'll explain the fastest way to locate your user ID on any device, so you never have trouble again. Keep watching to learn more. Whether you use an iPhone or Android mobile device, a PC or a tablet, the method to find your Roblox user ID remains the same. Here, we have opened the Roblox player. When we try to find our user ID, we click on More and then on the Settings button. Then, we go to Account Information. Here, we can see our display name and username, but the user ID is not visible anywhere. Below Account Information, we can see sections like Security, Privacy and Content Maturity, Notifications, and Payment Methods. However, there is no option to find the user ID. So, we need to close the Roblox player and open any browser on our device. We are using Chrome, but you can use any browser. Open the browser and log in with your Roblox username and password. After logging in through the browser, if you are using a PC, your interface will look like this. If you log in from a tablet or iPad, the interface will look like this. And if you log in from any Android or Apple device, you will see an interface like this. Now you need to click on the three dots located at the top left side. Once you click on them, you will see your username. Click on it. As soon as you click, your profile will be opened and the entire interface will appear like this. You are now very close to finding out your Roblox user ID. But before that, we give you an important information that we have made 2 YouTube videos in which we have told 100% real and genuine ways to get unlimited Robux. You will find their link in the description. Next, go to your browser's URL bar. Select the entire URL and copy it. On a PC, you can right-click and select Copy, while on a mobile device, press and hold until the copy option appears, then tap on it. After copying, open a new tab and paste the URL there. Now you will see a number in the URL. Delete everything except the number. This number is your user ID. So this is how you can easily find your Roblox user ID on any device and use it wherever needed.